come and say some words. Adale Kurana.
Dear Sindhi and Baloch friends, जो सारे को नंगन ते पंहिंजनि रूपनि जंगनि ते जो सारे तो नंगन ते ऐं पंहिंजनि रूपनि जंगनि ते ऐं पंहिंजी खेतीअ पोखीअ ते ऐं पंहिंजी रीत अनोखीअ ते सो माण्हू मूं न मरणो. We Sindhi nations today, after 64 years of Pakistan, we are standing on the cliff. There is a saying that they have put us against the wall. They haven't put us against the wall, we are on the cliff. To save पंहिंजनि नंगनि जे बचाव जे लाइ, पंहिंजनि घरनि पंहिंजनि झूपनि जंगनि जे बचाव जे लाइ, पंहिंजी खेती पोखीअ जे बचाव जे लाइ ऐं पंहिंजी उन अनोखी रीत जे बचाव जे लाइ जेका हज़ारनि सालनि खां फॉर्मुलेट थी आहे. तारीख़ The history has brought us to that situation. I received a text from one of very renowned writers in Sindh that I wish I was not alive to see this day, when this bifurcation and then the separation, a separate system for Karachi and Hyderabad and a separate system for rest of Sindh was announced through a governor ordinance at 12:07 in the morning, in the midnight. The first text that I received is that I wish I was not alive to see this day. Question is, this hasn't happened in one day. There is a saying, and there is a very famous saying, if you do not take interest in politics, it does not mean that the politics will not take interest in you. And politics in the current time in the world, where as a whole the global situation stands, over the period of time has become really very, very complex. Therefore, it is really very necessary to see, do you want to live to that day? And will we not all feel ashamed? And will we not feel all suicidal if that day comes where really a sin could be divided? And I tell you, regardless of whatever we say, there are real traits, and that real traits have become compound and cumulative over a period of time. Because of whatever errors and mistakes that we made, because whatever things we should have done and we didn't do, because whatever the right stand that we should have done we didn't do, because of the input that we would have been able to make and we didn't make, the world is full of dacoits and criminals. And Sindh is one of the finest country in the world. Not it is the finest country, it is one of the richest country in the world. So, for a country like that, if somebody can do few thousand killings here and there and can manipulate and all that, what is harm in it? It is our duty to save our home, to save our motherland, to save our geography, to save our history, to save our people, to save our generations, to save our children, and save our man and save our woman. It is not them. At the end of the day, responsibility will be ours and not theirs. Of course, where we stand now, in many cases, where the blame should go. At the end of the day, we are responsible. And therefore, because we are responsible, therefore, it is our responsibility to get ourselves out of that situation. Other friends have spoken in quite detail, and there will be probably more speakers who will be coming to speak. When there is a pressure, under the pressure, lot of things, they crack. Pressure has been increasing. We have been saying this for last many years. Not today. Under that pressure, it has exposed our strengths. Similarly, it has exposed our weaknesses. It has exposed those who used to say that we are sons of soil. We cannot think even in our wildest dream to divide sin. We Sindhi people, fortunately or unfortunately, are really very simple people. We don't know how to intrigue. We are not cunning. We tend to easily believe whether it is our strength and as well as our weakness. So this enormous pressure on Sindhi society has exposed our strength as well as weakness. The strength is that without even leaders give the call, the entire Sindh was one voice. No to this division, no to this division, no to this division. The weaknesses have also emerged, which we have been seeing. Those who put this face of so-called Sindhi friendship, that is also exposed. The question is historically where we stand now, and then of course that entire region is very critical and crucial. There's a huge world-defining conflict is going in that area. There's a शेर आए थे परे परिया पतो ना आए दी रात कैसी दुआगनी. Let me decide that just time until unless in a रात जो दुआग दी असांजे कौम ऐं असांजे तारीख़ जे मथां जेका कारी रात छायल आहे जेसि ताईं इहा छायल आहे ऐं जेसि ताईं काग लॻाए ॿेलनि खे न धरतीअ जे दाड़ेलनि को ॿारण ॿारे ईंदासीं को सिज उॿारे जेसि ताईं उहो सिज उॿारे तेसि ताईं हिकिड़ो वचन हिते बि न ओपनली बि न पंहिंजे अंदरि जीअं आउं पंहिंजे बचनि लाइ महसूसु कयां थो जीअं आउं पंहिंजे कुटुंब लाइ महसूसु कयां थो ऐं जेको कुझु उन लाइ कयां थो ईअं ई आउं पंहिंजे धरती माउ जे लाइ पंहिंजे वतन लाइ पंहिंजे वतन जे माण्हुनि लाइ कंदुसि ऐं तेसि ताईं कंदो रहंदुसि जेसि ताईं उहो सिज छाकाणि जो I know the entire world history is a witness. A nation cannot be enslaved if they don't want to. It looks very odd when 5,500 commandos type terrorists they attack the weaponless in the village. We do not know what to do. But ways will come out of it. The path will emanate from that. there will be leadership as well which will come and will emerge and has to emerge. There will be parties which will be, because we need right ingredients. If we lose the opportunities of this time, then as I said, we are on cliff anyway. But these things will emerge, and we should remember our role to play. We, as a being in Europe, there is one version of the things that when People's Party and NPM they separated, possibly there was some British influence to bring them back. We have to tell them that look, those people who claim themselves as middle class and enlightened, they are not middle class, enlightened, they are fascists. The middle class in Pakistan predominantly is fascist, and they are fascists. They basically, when they attack us, they say these are advocates of feudalism. That is their typical way to show it to the people. But we are not fascists. We are fascists. So we have to tell, we have to work. Really, enormous amount of work needs to be done. It is not easy to inform the international community, to convince them, to tell them that you supported Mujahideen in Afghanistan, you created a problem of current volatility in that entire region. If you support on account of Sindhi people, on account of Baloch people, who are killing Sindhi people and Baloch people, those people who consider themselves as the rulers of entire Karachi, they are not rulers. In 2001, when there was a population census, they were in majority in just one district. They amalgamated all that gerrymandering and said that we control the entire Karachi. They are not controlled. In Karachi, there are many stakeholders. So international community has to recognize that. But each one of us has to work in their own way. Somebody has to give their time. Somebody has to give their intellectual capabilities. Somebody has to write. Somebody has to give money. To be very frank. But we have to work together, because if we do not do, we are jeopardizing our history and the fate of all our coming generations. So don't lose the hope. Let we work together. Let me find how we work together. And thank you very much for all of you. Thank you, sir.
मरणो हर के मानव के ये न मरण आशीष साथी आठ बारे में